জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Mother, why are you not having mercy on me? It will be too late after this. You gave father life. If we can't save him, what will be the point of everything? Fire! The kid is burning.
Kid is getting burned? What do you mean? There's no kid here. What are you talking about?
I don't know. I can't say who the baby is, but I clearly saw that the baby caught fire. Oh, there's a mark. The kid has a birthmark on the right hand.
The kid has a birthmark on the right wrist. My granddaughter has it. But you've never seen my granddaughter. Then how did you know about it?
Doctor, please contact your family and ask what your granddaughter is doing. You can ask about all this later. First, call home, please. Please call home.
Hello?
Hello, where's Sonamoni?
Tell me where she is.
Is there a fire or flame?
Why are you acting like this? Shonamani is... Shonamani!
Hello? Hello?
Hello, why are you not saying anything?
Hello? Hello? Hey, why are you silent? Say something. Hello?
Doctor, I hope the candle didn't fall on her. Is she all right?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
What happened? Why did you scream? Where is Sonamoni? Tell me, please.
There would have been a disaster. The living room was getting decorated with candles for tonight's party. Shonamani had gone close to the candle and was trying to grab it. If we hadn't seen her on time, the candles would have fallen on her. Such a disaster was about to happen. But how did you know that she was near the fire?
Can you really see the future? But how is it possible?
Do you believe it now, doctor?
Actually, you know what? Sonamani is the apple of our eye. There's always a festive vibe in our house because of her. I don't know. I really don't know how to thank you today. I will never forget your favor. I will never forget it. I don't know how to say thanks to you. I really don't know.
No. You don't have to thank me. By the grace of Lotus Vishalakshi, your granddaughter is safe today. Now please arrange for father's discharge, doctor. Please. Yes, doctor. Nayan has seen Tapabrato in great danger here. Kindly release him, doctor. We have got very little time. Doctor, I want to take him immediately to the States.
See, Mr. Tapabrato is very, very close and dear to me. How can I even disagree after seeing all this by myself? Actually, you know what? In releasing Tapabrato, there is a very minor problem in that. Actually, when we admitted Tapabrato into the hospital that time, Dripto signed the bond. I mean, a guardian's signature was needed, and Dripto did it. Now, I cannot release Tapabrato without his signature. Because I'll be stuck on the protocol. I mean, I cannot do anything without Dripto's permission. I'm really sorry, ma'am.
But Dripto, sir, doesn't want to send father abroad. He will never...
I gave my permission.
Did you really give permission, sir?
Yes, I did, Nayan. Nayan, you are the reason Dad came back to life even after he stopped breathing. So the way you have all rights over my life, you have rights over my father's life. You have rights on his life too. The one who can give you life will take decisions for them. So we will do whatever you decide for Dad, Nayan. I don't even know who possesses a threat to Dad, what's their name, who they are. But still, I permit Aunt to take Dad to the USA. Doctor, get Dad ready so he can travel so far right now, please. You arrange for whatever support is required, and I'll complete all the formalities right away, sir. I'll book the tickets and arrange for the best equipped ambulance, and I'll take him to the airport myself. What's this, Nayan? What are you doing?
So you will see, father will be safe now. Nothing bad will be able to touch father, sir. He will be alive. You will see, sir. Father will live. Drive faster, Vicky. Lord knows what's happening there.
What happened, Nayan? Why are you crying? See, Nayan, if Dad sees you in tears, he'll feel hurt. Moreover, you could save Dad. Then what makes you cry?
What to do, Triptosa? I can't hold back my tears. I lost my father when I was a child. Sir, I never knew what father's love is. But father gave me that love and affection, and I misunderstood father and hurt him. But you know, he never hurt me, Triptosa. And today I may have saved him, but can't keep him with me.
Nayan, I also misunderstood Dad and said bad things to him. Especially after he got me married to you. I was unable to even bear him. My dad is sick. He's diagnosed with a terminal illness, but I still said mean things to my dad. I couldn't understand that Dad tried so hard to save my life, Nayan. And Dad found you for me. Consider this as atonement for what I did to my dad. I don't know who you are saving Dad from, but you do everything that is needed to save him, and I'll support you in that. I'll always be by your side, Nayan.
How much more time will it take?
Yep, almost there. Oh Lord, again a traffic jam. Why does this have to happen?
What if Tapobrata comes around?
Be careful, be careful. Easy, easy. Good.
I don't know, Father. I don't know when I will get to meet you again. But I promise you, Father, the way I took the responsibility to protect your son, I'll protect the family as well as your property. You just be healthy and happy, Father. Shall I leave now, Nan? Aunt Durba, have a safe journey, all right? I'll call everyone there and say there is no one better than my dear Dripto's wife. I'll say that if there is anything like selfless love, there is only one person who can love that way. And she's my dearest Nayan. Be happy, Nayan. Always stay blessed. And my love, take care. Take care of my dear Deepu. Okay? I'll keep in touch with you. You also take care of my father, all right, Aunt Durba? I will fulfill the responsibility you gave me, okay? Don't worry at all. May Lord be with you. I won't let Tapabrata open his mouth, Vicky. Never. Let me be there. I will finish him. Hurry up, Vicky. Tapabrata is in the cabin. You are late, Mother Sanjukta. Father left. Why did Nayan say that I am late? And what does she mean by he left? What? What did you say? What do you mean by I'm late? Isn't Tapabrata? Oh, no. Don't cry, Mother Sanjukta. Why will Father die? Lord bless him. He's all right. He will fly away in a while from under the nose of his enemies. Tapabrata didn't die?
So, all your desires have been fulfilled. My student is a junior doctor. He is also flying with the patient. There's nothing to worry about. We've also arranged the ventilation setup. He'll also get life support. You don't need to worry. Are you happy now?
Sir,
Yes?
I need to talk to you.
Yes, I'm coming. I'll take your leave.
What did he mean by the patient? Hey, who did he refer to? Tapabrata. Hey, where is Tapabrata flying to? Hey, tell me what game are you playing? Where did you send him? Where did you send Tapabrata? What did you do?
Madam, please lower your voice.
Hey, you just keep quiet. Don't speak while I'm talking. Hey, where did you send Tapabrata? Where did he go? Why are you silent? Just speak up.
Stop harassing my sister, Nayan. Enough is enough. Just answer us, where have you sent him? Where did you send Tapabrata? Tell us clearly, otherwise...
Otherwise, you will hurt me too, won't you? You can't, Uncle Vicky. But you know, I feel sad seeing Mother Sanjukta so restless. That's why I'll tell you. Father went abroad with Aunt Durba. What? Tapabrata? Did Tapabrata go to the USA with Durba? Why? What to do, Mother Sanjukta? The enemies are so disturbing here. If he is abroad, the enemies won't get their hands on him. So I send him. How dare you? How did you become so audacious? Who permitted you to take such a big step? Who permitted you? My husband did. Your eldest son, Dripto. I couldn't do anything without my husband's permission, Mother. Hey, she's lying. She's lying through her teeth. Deepu cannot do this. Never. Without informing anyone, his father got surgery. How could Deepu send his father abroad in this condition? That too without informing anyone, without telling me or discussing it with me. I know very well what Deepu can and cannot do. This cannot be Deepu's decision. Hey, what game did you play? Tell me, what game did you play here? I'm not lying, Mother Sanjukta. Tripto sir did what was necessary. Otherwise, do I have the power to take father on the flight and send him abroad? Tell me. All right. If you still don't believe me, mother, ask the doctor. He has witnessed it. Tripto sir admitted father to the hospital. So the doctor wouldn't have discharged him without his permission, right?